Have you ever dreamed of sharing your knowledge with the world and making a living from it? If so, creating an online course might be the perfect opportunity for you. Stay tuned to learn how you can transform your expertise into an engaging and profitable online course. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping you maximize your potential online. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online course creation. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to start creating your very own online course. Let's get started. Here are the steps to create a successful online course. Step 1. Identify your audience. Before creating your course content, you need to know who you're teaching. Are they beginners or more advanced learners? What are their goals and motivations? Knowing your audience will help you tailor your content to their needs and interests. Step 2. Choose your course topic. Your course should focus on a subject you're passionate and knowledgeable about. But remember, it's equally important to make sure there's a demand for your course. Doing some market research can help you understand what potential students are looking for. Step 3. Create engaging content. Break down your content into manageable chunks, include practical exercises, and mix up your teaching methods to keep your students engaged. And remember, quality matters, so invest in good recording and editing tools. Step 4. Market your course. Once your course is ready, it's time to spread the word. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to attract and enroll students. That wraps up our introduction to creating online courses. With these tips, you're well on your way to sharing your knowledge and earning income in the process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on succeeding online. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.